Shua vein Däumerloch. Teilöbung was Mamaloschen, Yiddish was ja ein bisschen schwer zu verstehen. Viele das zum Beispiel am Meise auf Goyish, auf Englisch, machen wir everything auf Yiddish. There was a chaplain in the army, and Erev Shabbos, right before Mincha, Kabbalah Shabbos, Erev Shabbos for Mincha, comes again, a soldier comes over to him with 3 letters in his hand. He says, Rabbi, can you help me? So he said, take a seat. Takes a seat. He says, he was stationed in one of the largest bases in the United States, a tremendous base, miles long. So he said, my parents, Yimach Shimon Zichra Hitler, the concentration camp survivors, and they have very, very serious heart conditions. And I have letters here from 2 big heart specialists, that if the news comes to them, and I'm about to be shipped out, this was a training base, the final training before they go out on the battlefield. So if news comes back to them that I'm going out on the battlefield, I may not survive, they said this could trigger on a serious heart attack, and they will not survive. So he said, can you help me? Sunday morning I was supposed to be shipped out to Korea, the whole base. And can you help me that I change that order? I shouldn't be shipped out. He said, let me see what I can do. The general, the only one that could revoke the order, was in his office 6 miles away. The base had a fence all around. It was on Erev. So he carried these letters with him, and he walked 6 miles to the general's office. He comes to the general's office, and he told the general, he said, I have a request. He said, Rabbi, take a seat. He told him the mice, he said that there's a private, I have letters from his parents, they're concentration camp survivors, and the doctors testify that if they certify that if the news comes back to them that their son is being shipped overseas and may not survive, that it'll trigger a heart attack and thus it's under assault. Is it possible to change the order? He should not be shipped out. He says, Rabbi, I'd love to help you. But these orders cannot be revoked. The entire base here is going out to Korea on Sunday morning. And then to dramatize emphatically, he goes over to him. He had luchas on his lapel from the stone. So he said, Rabbi, he says, you know, these tablets, they're made from stone. Just like these cannot be broken, the orders to go out to Korea cannot be broken. Have a good day. So the Rabbi, thank you for taking the time, and he starts to leave. So he says to him, Rabbi, where are you walking? Where's your car? So he said, it's Saturday. The Jews don't drive in a car on Saturday. He said, what did you say? How did you get here? He said, I walked. You walked 6 miles just in the interest of a plain, ordinary private? You don't even know, do you know him? Is he from your town? He said, no. Just a stranger, a total stranger, a offender. He said, you walked 6 miles just to help him? And you're going to walk 6 miles back? He said, yes, General. He says, take a seat. He picked up the telephone. Lieutenant Wright, come here immediately. He says, this private so-and-so, he said, I want him shipped immediately to Governor's Island, and every night he's to go home to be with his parents, and then to come back in the morning again. Kamoy Yashimita. Was der Pshat, Kato Shemea Kol Shoifer, the Python geht darüber von Shemea verloschen, Shemea Kol Shoifer, auf Loschen Mazin Trua Vein Doimelach. Sagt der Prima Gott Mazeh. Rashi bringt in Parsazino, Hazino Shema Vadabeira, V'Sishma Lord Simresi. Sagt Rashi, Moshe Rabbeinu gen Chetzel Malach gen Malach, is der Nafkimine von Loschen Oizen, und Shemea is, a Mensch, was redet dem Gleiche never rein, is nicht damit mit Loschen Oizen. Was redet, immer so steht da, redet auch durch mit dem müssen, ist das Loschen Shemea. Es ist schon auf der Bänkel dort, ein bisschen weiter weg, ist das Loschen Shemea. Moshe Rabbeinu was gen Chetzel Malach gen Malach, is Hazino Shamayim. Genannt zu Shamayim. Wie Sishma Oretz, aber zu Gashmi, zu Oretz, ein bisschen weiter. Denn auf die Wiener von Kol Schäufer und Trua ist, Kol Schäufer ist Beschlemmus, a ganze Kie. Trua ist auch zerbrochen. Sagt er, bei mir Gott, was Rebschat. Rabbi Shalom, Ato Shemea Kol Schöpfer. Sagt zu des Herrlis von der Weitens, ist ein Mensch, was hat sich beschleunigt muss, das fällt ihm gesagt nicht zerbrochen, ist ein Shemea Kol Schöpfer. Aber Mazin, aber Trua, zerbrochen kann Kol Hashem nicht mehr leben. Das ist Mazin, das Aloschen, was mir gleich zerbrochen ist, alleine. Und der Messiah Mazin wie ein Däumelach. Bei mir muss man dann die Chuspe kann ich mal machen. Was mir Chuspe, was mir Grobkeit, ist tut es so mehr. Aber wie ein Däumelach, nach Gott ist der Korah schon nicht mehr leben. Die Jahrzeit für meine Rebens Mama war schon, wenn er das war, was Louis Roska, Shaishui, es ist einmal gefällt, als sie fällt sich etwas. Aber es geht einmal, Aschir, Aschir, dort noch, dass wir gleich leben, es soll nicht verzählt. Schon mal Lia, Kasio, und mir hat auch wohl gesagt, ich will, das Titel, was wir müssen, ich nehme, an der Chol ist mein Titel, ja,